link of a Facebook page in your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for facebook.com. So now just go ahead and search for the page that you want to share with your friends. And so for example, this page. Okay. So now you just want to click on the three little dots here at the right side of your screen. And now you can see a share button or option. So just go ahead and click on that and just scroll down until you see the copy link. Or you can just go ahead and choose in any of this option. You can share it to the public, share to your feed, send it messenger, share on a friend's profile, send in Twitter, or share via QR code. So as you can see, you have a lot of options. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one and have a great day.